Hi, this is Carl, and I got a little Friday bling on today, and I want to talk to you today about a special Friday topic, and that is what we call Final Friday Training. And you might call it Early Tuesday Morning Training or First Thursday or something like that. Basically, the idea is that once a month, at least once a month, you set aside some time to train your people. And that means not just train them on technical stuff, but train them on business processes, train them on your standard operating procedures, train them on the things that make your company your own, so that it runs the way you want it to run. There's a lot of things that go into Final Friday training. Here's what we do, and basically it's designed to build culture as well as consistency. So the two pieces you need first are training on some topic, and second, something that has to do with culture. We start with lunch. So that way we get all the technicians together, we have lunch, we enjoy a meal together, people get to talk about non-work stuff and get to know each other as individuals. After that, then we go back to the office or sometimes we have lunch brought to the office, but anyway, after lunch, then we look at some topic. Usually it's technical, but it's also very frequently service delivery. When we introduce a new topic, we'll say, from now on, we're going to put in our time in real time. From now on, all work is done off of a service request. From now on, we want to encourage clients to use the PSA portal, that sort of thing. So part of it is implementing the processes we have, and then sometimes it's also technical. So there's lots of things that we want to do to make this successful. The first thing you want to do is create a service request that recurs once a month that says Final Friday Training, and you're going to assign it to all of the technicians. That way everybody gets it on their calendar, everybody has a reminder that it's going to happen, and nobody has an excuse to be scheduling other things for that time. Second thing you want to do is create a document that is Final Friday Training topics and allow anybody on the team to be able to put things onto that document. So maybe they'll say, I need to learn about configuring firewalls, or I need to learn about that new switch that we got, or I need to learn about whatever it might be. Maybe they just want to know what your sales process is. There's all kinds of things. This is the opportunity to let them put things onto the list of topics that they want to find out about. Third, you want to engage everybody. So let every technician have the opportunity to do a training. Sometimes you're going to say, all right, you're in charge of the new ticketing system, or you're in charge of figuring out how we're going to learn this system and then teaching the rest of us. Or you're going to figure out how we apply those patches but don't apply the other patches, and then you're going to train the rest of us on it. And that way you give somebody the ability to shine. You also give them the ability to stand up and be the person who actually knows more than the rest of the people in the room. Always a good thing for building their self-esteem as well as the culture. Remember, if you do Final Friday Training, that's once a month, 12 times a year, so you need only 12 topics to come up with. And you might decide that that's not enough, right? You might decide that you need to do this twice a month, or that you're going to do it twice during certain months, or twice during important months when you get a lot of changes going on, or maybe even twice during a month where you know things are slow. So have lots of topics and put something in place. What you're going to find is that this really helps you develop your team. Culture is like everything else. It doesn't happen by itself. If you let culture just evolve, you're not in control of what your own company feels like. If you create circumstances where people can get together and socialize, you create opportunities for that culture to evolve. Till next time, this is Carl, hoping that you'll like it if you like it, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out all the other videos we have. I wish you all the best in your consulting business.